Here I don't have a, what do I do? Zombies.
Okay, so I personally feel like Hondas are more equipped, better equipped than BMWs and even Lexuses. You're looking at an Accord here, a brand spanking new Honda Accord. Comes with literally everything. 2.0 engine, 4-cylinder, sport. This will set you back 30 G's. But this is a reliable vehicle. I prefer Civics, 4-cylinder. But these 4-cylinder Accords are pretty nice too. They come with literally everything, all the safety features you can possibly think of or want. Okay, like I said, they're better equipped than Lexuses and BMWs. They come with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and if you like using your cell phone, or sometimes you just doing things that you're not supposed to. And I know they're trying to at least stick you in jail for using a cell phone in your vehicle nowadays, but there's this awesome feature, lane keeping assistant system. Okay, road departure mitigation, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, collision mitigation braking system, adaptive cruise control. So this thing it comes with literally everything. Not only, it also has a lot of power. So now we're going to look at some of these Civics, Honda Civics. They are incredible. As most of you know, they're reliable. They are full of every type of technology, every type of advanced technology that you can possibly need. Bluetooth, you've got your roadside assistance, you can connect to the internet, remote start, you have lane departure warning, you've got your basic safety features. If you're using your cell phone, this car will save your life. I mean, honestly, these are amazing vehicles, and they're reliable. Some of you know even BMWs, when you look at some of the BMWs, newer BMWs, twice as expensive, and you look at their technology and their features, they don't come close to what a Civic has. A basic Civic versus a basic BMW 3, 4 series, you're looking at a Civic being way more advanced. So right now we're going to take a look at a Civic. Two types of Civic: a general basic Civic, type T, 1.5 liter turbo engine, 174 horsepower. They're all turbocharged, 4-cylinder, beautiful engines. Okay, and most of you know that Civics are reliable, and there's a turbocharged, the Type R Civic with over 300 horsepower, beautiful 4-cylinder engine. These cars are more reliable. These are fast. These things are fast. They're a little more expensive, but they're fast. And I would prefer a basic Civic if you're thinking about buying a car. You're elderly, or you are a young person. They are beautiful, especially ladies. Ladies love these vehicles because they are beautiful. They have everything you need: Bluetooth technology, connect your phone. I mean, all that. It's got the eco technology where you can press a button and you can, you have less horsepower, but you burn less gas. You get about 30 something, 40 miles a gallon. So these engines are packed with power, reliability, stability. You literally don't have to look under the hood. You can buy a Civic and drive for years, change the oil and drive for years, not have to worry about anything on a Civic. Okay? They have enough horsepower, they have enough power, they're fast, technology is impressive, better than some of these newer BMWs. They got the lane departure thing. If you're elderly, woman, kid, anybody. If you like using your phone, I know they're trying to, illegalize it and, give you $600, $1,000 ticket and even possibly throw you in jail for using your cell phone when you sometimes have to. They want to throw you in jail. So this technology is beautiful. It will save your life. If you're swerving off, or you're falling asleep, or you're using your cell phone, or you're an elderly person, or you're a kid that doesn't like paying attention, these cars are for you. I'm not being paid by Civic, but I do like these cars. I mean, under the hood, inside and out, they are impressive. I like them. Just test drive one. I mean, they're beautiful. I'm thinking about trading my BMW in for something nice too. So, if you're thinking about buying, buy.